Hello, my sweet friends. Marnie here with another body wisdom tip of the week. This week we are working on our lung meridian. So we are going to do a little acupressure spot along with a breathing pattern that totally opens up your breathing and allows for maximal oxygen absorption. Please bring your left hand up to your right collarbone. Slide it just below the collarbone and then slide it all the way over towards the shoulder until you bump into the shoulder bone. Now, extend that right arm forward like you're going to shake hands with somebody, and you'll find your finger sits in a great big divot. That is the lung 2-point. Relax that right arm down. Stimulate that spot, massaging it in all different directions. Circles both ways, up and down, back and forth. Now, hold the spot still, close your eyes, and think about just breathing in and out of your right lung. Really filling your lungs up. Make sure you bring air all the way up into your armpit. One more breath. Crack your eyes open and give that spot a little massage again, please. All directions. Now slide your hand over that point, down your arm and off of your thumb, and shake your hands out. Let's do the other side. Bring your right hand over to your left collarbone. Find that bone, slide your finger right below it, and then move over towards your shoulder until you bump into the joint. Extend that left arm like you're going to shake hands. Landmark, get in that big divot. Let that left hand relax. Massage that lung 2-point on the left side in all directions, please. Now hold that spot still. Close your eyes. Breathe just into your left lung now, please. Expanding your ribs out to the side, filling up all the way into your armpit. One more breath. Crack your eyes open. Massage that spot in all directions again. And then slide your hand through that point, over your shoulder, down your arm, and off your thumb. Shake both hands out. If you're having trouble with asthma, a cold, breathing problems, coughing, that is the spot to use. Thank you so much for breathing with me again this week. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time the moon cycle changes.